a burger with flavor, maybe with some bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato. Well, stay tuned. That's what we're making today. So welcome back to In Season, my channel, and today we're all craving burgers, bacon cheeseburgers. So I'm going to make the bacon in the oven because it's easier and it's easier cleanup. So I'm going to put the bacon on a rack, on a cookie sheet rack that has some foil to catch the grease. Put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. You have to watch it, and at 400. So the bacon's in the oven, and I'm about to prepare the hamburgers. It's organic beef. Just open up the package here. So I just place it in a bowl. I really don't like touching the meat, so I'm going to use a spoon to mix it around. So I'm going to put some seasoning in it. And again, I'll pin the recipe down in the comment section. And I would say like and subscribe and share for this delicious hamburger recipe that I'm about to share with you. So I'm going to put adobo on it. It's a Spanish seasoning, adds a lot of flavor to it. Has a little garlic, it has a little salt and pepper. I'm also going to put some additional salt and pepper because there's not a lot in here. So just a little salt and a little pepper. So I'm done mixing the meat with all the seasoning, and I have this little hamburger press that I use to put the meat in it and make patties. I'm making 4 patties for the family, and so I just scoop it in here. And then just press. And I like putting the plastic wrap around this. It just makes it easier for it to come out. So I found organic fries. I'm so excited. I've never seen them before. So I'm going to try them. And they're 425 in the oven for about 20 minutes because it's about half the bag. That's all I'm going to make. So I have a sheet here with some foil on it. We'll open up the bag. So open up the bag and put a nice option instead of eating out or eating fast food to make it at home. So we're going to put it in the oven now for about 20 minutes, and we'll continue cooking the burgers. So it's winter here, and we don't have our grill available to us right now. It's kind of under snow. But so I'm going to do the burgers on the stovetop in a pan. It's another way to do it. You could do it in the oven also. But I'll put the recipe down in the comment section. I'll pin it down there. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me how you like the recipe too. I would love to hear your comments when you make the recipe on how you enjoyed it, or if you made any variations that I can also do at home. So I'm going to heat up the pan to medium high. And yes, I am using butter. But butter is okay. Fat is actually good for you. It's healthy fat. This is grass-fed butter. We'll put about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of butter in here. I'm also going to put a little bit of garlic to flavor the butter. and that flavor of the garlic will go into the burger. So I'm waiting for the pan to heat up, and this should be quick. So the pan is hot now. I'm going to place the garlic cloves in here. Just gently warm up also. You can always take them out before you put the burgers in. I just want to have a little bit of the flavor of the garlic in here before placing the burgers. It'll add a nice flavor. So while I have the patties finishing up and the fries are almost done, I'm just going to do some lettuce to put on our patties. So my husband is very excited about eating the burgers. He just came by and said, "Oh, very nice." So I'm just flipping them over. They don't take long to cook. And the flavor of the garlic butter is just so nice and delicious smelling. We're really looking forward to having these. Again, comment down on the bottom and let me know how you enjoyed the meal. I would love to hear how you enjoyed it, and if you have any other ways that you like to cook it, or how you might cook your burger. So the patties are basically done. You can have medium well, medium rare. This one is medium rare. I could tell because it does still have a little redness coming through, but that's fine. It's a little thicker also. So I'm just going to put them on a napkin just to get some of the butter off. It could sit there for a moment. So I'm going to place the cheese on them. I'm putting Vermont white cheddar on them. They're still very warm, so this will melt nicely on there. And we'll plate. Take a little bit of the bacon. So I'm about to take the fries out. They just beat. And the burgers are done. I can't wait to taste them. I've never had these before. Burgers are done. The tomatoes are sliced. The lettuce is done. I'm about to plate and show you how it looks. I can't wait to eat. So I'll show you a little thing I do. After I turn off the oven, I'm warming up the bread slightly with the door open so it doesn't overcook or get too crispy. And I also put my plates in. I do have oven safe plates to warm up the plates to make them keep the retention of the heat of the food. It just helps when you're trying to get people to the table. Although I don't think they'll wait too long to get to the table. So I put together the burger. It looks really good and juicy and tasty. Huh? You can make it too. I can't wait to hear what you all make in variation. If you make any variation, if you like different seasoning, we'd love to hear that. Comment down in the comments, and I'll pin the recipe in the comment section. And like and subscribe and share the video. And I hope that you come back. Thank you for cooking with me.